The question is from Kryptonian. Explain the difference between a bear trap and a bull trap. Okay, a bear trap, here's a very easy way to remember this. A bear trap traps bears. A bull trap traps bulls. What do bears typically want? They want downside. So how do you trap a bear? You essentially put in a downside move. You see, you know, a quick wick down below whatever support that everyone's looking at, and then by closure, you typically close back above, or maybe within the next day or two, or you know, whatever time frame you're looking at, the next like couple closures, you see it close back above what would have been that support or resist, or sorry, in this case, support. If you see something like that, typically you'll see a run in the other direction, and vice versa for a bull trap. So should we come up with a couple of examples right here? Yeah, we can actually come up with an example right here very, very easily for Bitcoin on the bear trappy side. Okay, well, actually, we see one right here. In fact, you see this quick wick down. So remember, on our lower term timeframes, our bottom side support was somewhere right around about 31,000 bucks even or so. And you can see this quick wick down yesterday, right down. Actually, in fact, let me just. No, it's on this chart right here. There we go. Yeah, I actually have it marked off right here on the lower end of this blue box territory. You can see that we actually even tested into that region yesterday very, very quickly. But by closure, we closed back above the actual bottom side support. So that could be considered a bit of a bear trap for a short-term time frame. Same thing over here. You see a massive wick below. This one was like very, very nasty, to be fair. This one over here, not relevant to this time frame, but for the purpose of this discussion, we'll just kind of focus on this time frame. And realistically, we did see something like that kind of yesterday. And what do you know? When we close back above on that nice wick, then we get to run the other way. Yes, it's kind of grinding its way out, but understand, you know, the market's not to be viewed in the same day. It's meant to be really viewed in like the chunks of like weeks realistically. And there we go. We're getting our little bit of a short-term move to the upside right here. Now, by the same token, a bull trap. Where is a good bull trap right here? Here's a phenomenal one, actually. This is textbook, in fact. So let me actually pull up a fresh chart right here. And what we're going to do is we're going to go back to March and April of 2021. So just a few months ago, you know, when Bitcoin was trading in between about 50,000 and 60,000 bucks. So what did we see right here? Well, we actually saw a bullish formation essentially painted. We saw an ascending trend. We essentially saw an uptrend going into this region right here, and Bitcoin breaks above the topside resistance of it, or just breaks the prior high in this case. And how do you know that it's a bull trap? Well, there's a couple things, and this works for a bear trap as well. You want to see lower volume on the actual breakout with no fall through, and then same thing over here. Cracks back down below what would have been your broken resistance in this case. And then, as you can see, this one runs the other way extremely fast. In fact, if you look from top to bottom, this is a almost 30% move, by the way. It's pretty aggressive right there. Anyways, my point is with this is that you're looking at a quick move above your resistance, in this case on a new high, and this typically is how markets actually top, and then no volume fall through, no fall through on price action, and then teeter totter as it does essentially come back down. And this was actually on a weekend as well. It actually looks a lot more nasty on CME right here. You can see this. So yeah, there you go. That is what a bull trap would be, essentially the opposite of a bear trap. So I hope that was in some way helpful, and let me know if there's if there's another way that we could go over that as well.